Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on subtraction of fractions. This video will introduce subtraction of fractions. We will do these exercises without using a diagram. For each of the following, subtract the given fractions. So 6 over 7, take away 2 over 7. Now exactly like the previous video, when the two denominators are the same, this time we subtract the numerators because that's a minus or takeaway or a subtraction sign. So instead of addition, we just do subtraction. 6 take away 2 gives us 4, so that's 4 over 7. And here is the rule you have to remember. It is important to remember that when the denominators are the same, just subtract the numerators. Keep the value of the denominator the same in the answer. So 4 over 5 take away 1 over 5. 4 take away 1 gives us 3, so it's 3 over 5. 8 over 11 minus 2 over 11. 8 take away 2 is 6, 6 over 11. 10 over 13 minus 9 over 13. 10 minus 9 is 1, 1 over 13. 5 over 6 minus 1 over 6, 5 minus 1 is 4, that gives us 4 over 6. What number divides into 4 and into 6 evenly? 4 divided by 2 gives us 2, 6 divided by 2 gives us 3, so 4 over 6 is the same as 2 over 3. 7 over 8 minus 3 over 8, 7 minus 3 is 4, that's 4 over 8. What number divides into 4 and into 8 evenly? The answer is 4. 4 divided by 4 gives us 1. 8 divided by 4 gives us 2. So 4 over 8 is equivalent to 1 over 2. 11 over 12 minus 7 over 12. 11 take away 7 gives you 4. That gives you 4 over 12. What number divides into 4 and into 12 evenly? 4. 4 divided by 4 gives you 1. 12 divided by 4 gives you 3, so the answer is 1 over 3, so 4 over 12 is equivalent to 1 over 3. 13 over 20 minus 3 over 20. 13 take away 3 is 10, which is 10 over 20. What number divides into 10 and into 20 evenly? 10 does. 10 divided by 10 gives you 1. 20 divided by 10 gives you 2. So the answer is a half. So 10 over 20 is the same as a half. 17 over 24 minus 1 over 24. 17 take away 1 is 16, which is 16 over 24. What number divides into 16 and into 24 evenly? 8 does. 16 divided by 8 gives us 2. 24 divided by 8 gives us 3, so the answer is 2 over 3. 27 over 40 minus 3 over 40. 27 take away 3 is 24. That's 24 over 40. What number divides into 24 and into 40 evenly? 8 does. 24 divided by 8 is 3. And 40 divided by 8 is 5. So the answer is 3 over 5 in simplest form. So this video has shown how to subtract fractions when the denominators are the same, and we've also continued to see how to simplify fractions.